gentlemen, my name is Milimo Changola. I'm the processing manager at Supreme Chickens. We are attending leadership training here at QT Lodge, facilitated by VNAC Consultancy Services. We are halfway done with the day and it has been a very fruitful morning. We have looked at the types of leadership and been able to identify what type of leadership each of us attending the training, what type of leadership we practice and how it affects the people we lead. We have also looked at conflicts and different triggers that trigger conflict in the workplace. We have also looked at how these conflicts can be resolved. There's quite a number of things that we've picked up. We have had exercises where we've acted out scenario-based exercises that help inculcate what we have been doing in theory and apply it to practical everyday situations. We were able to interpret these situations from our different departments on how they affect us on a day-to-day basis. We do not realize how the number of conflicts that we do face on a day-to-day basis, and that there's simple, easy ways of us to identify the conflicts, identify the triggers of those conflicts, and also identify ways of resolving those conflicts and preventing them from happening again. So conflict resolution is a very cardinal part in everyday life. I think anywhere where you have more than two people in a room, two people in a workplace, you will have differences in opinions, and we need to be able to understand how to manage those situations and to identify the different types of situations that we are in. And I think this training is cardinal in that. I recommend VNAC Consultancy Services. They've done a splendid job and they have put us in real life situations and not just theory. Thank you very much.
VNAC Consultancy Services Limited. Service beyond expectation.